What's going on, guys? It's Saturday, October 14th. I'm doing the driving vlog in the rain. It's kind of a cold, rainy day. It's actually just now starting to pour even harder, so once I get a safe place to mount the camera, I'll set up the camera. But just need maybe a medium pull, so nothing too drastic, but hopefully I have a little fun if I can get around on some traffic. So driving vlog in the rain, and let me just set up the camera real quick once I get a brief second here to set it up. Bear with me. Okay. So in terms of news, in my last video, of course I didn't make a video last weekend. I had an 8-hour training class over the weekend, last weekend, and I had to get that done for my school bus training, so I did that. And I didn't have time to make a video, and Sunday I had to just do some other things that kind of kept me busy. So on my things to do list, I had to get an oil change. I did do that a few days after I had my last video, which I said I was like past overdue, probably like, I don't know, 400 or 500 miles past overdue my oil change. The thing I noticed is after I changed my oil, like immediately I did a pull, and I just felt like the power is just like so much increased. Like it felt like it felt like a 15 horsepower increase on my pull. So it was kind of nice to get the little boost in power, because I guess, you know, when your engine oil does kind of get old and stuff, you do produce performance. And I did so for surely like noticed a huge difference. So it was nice. So it was actually pretty cool because it just felt like the car was faster. So that's always nice. Car's doing awesome at 38,132 miles, and really no complaints. Just kind of a rainy day. Hopefully get around some traffic here, and then do my pulls once I get around. So yeah, it kind of feels like the weather has been pretty rough lately. A lot of rain. I like rain personally, like this, at least usually when I sleep or something, you know, it does feel kind of relaxing and calming to hear the rain. And I kind of like it, but during the day, it kind of makes you not want to go out. You know, it's just kind of cold and kind of depressing and stuff. But that won't stop me from making videos, so that's why I'm doing what I'm doing. Just hopefully I can get a spot where I can do at least a launch or something and have a little fun today. I haven't even got to the little trolley yet, so I'm kind of excited to do it. As you can see, the trees are changing color as fall is here. Winter will slowly approach, and then all the leaves will be gone. And next thing you know, we'll be shoveling snow. So I guess it's part of living in the Midwest, in Illinois. So let's see, which way should I go? I guess we'll just go left. Probably couldn't make that turn, but I didn't want to piss anybody off. The good thing is I get to start from first gear. Well, hopefully, if I don't get too much wheel spin. Yeah, I won't do too much going in the car too much. Right forward now. Yeah, there is some wheel spin there. That's a good thing I waited so the wheels through. So. It sounded pretty nice though. Right here, and let's drop it first, wait till the wheels straighten out a little bit. Actually, I'll start in a second, that's alright. Nice afterfire on the brakes. So those of you who watch my videos, I guess obviously you guys know I'm in Illinois, and all the time I get kind of comments here and there saying that they either seen my car or they see me down the street. So it's kind of cool that even, you know, the fact that YouTube community is so big and there's so many states in Illinois and there's all these different countries, and yet there's still people that will watch my video and be like, oh yeah, you're the guy on YouTube or whatever, by running with people. So it's kind of cool that even though as my channel is slowly kind of, you know, popular channel or anything, but it's kind of nice that people who are in my area, it's like they're kind of familiar with me, or they know, oh, you're the guy from YouTube. So I thought it was kind of cool to sometimes like kind of hear those kind of comments and stuff. It's kind of nice, makes the world seem a bit smaller. It's kind of cool to you know, reach out to people that I don't even know, and you know, say, hey, I saw your car the other day, so it's kind of cool. So just thought I'd mention that. And it's something I noticed in the comments. You know, sometimes they'll say, oh, I saw the sticker in your car, look at your channel. And it's just nice to communicate with people. All right, so let's see. I guess I will leave it right. Sure, no cops around. I got traffic, so I will wait till a little bit because I'm going to catch up with them. All right, pull away a little bit. First gear, full throttle. First gear starting off, I do have the first stage of traction off, so it's kind of hard to get traction. That's why I'm waiting until the wheel's straight, to, you know, not to get too much wheel spin and burn out the clutch or anything. So, of course, I just had my clutch replaced, so like I said, I wasn't going to do any launches anymore. So, just trying to be careful. Don't want to abuse my car. Still do pull, but just not too drastic like I used to do. Gas. Man, after fire after fire. That's one thing with those MAP tuned is it's always doing that. Like when I go from third to fourth, basically full throttle third, let off, go to fourth, and then it's just like automatically it was the after fire. So that's kind of cool. And it really picks it up with my cell phone camera. And I know I'm kind of disappointed that I'm still using my cell phone camera for videos. I mean, normally I used to have a 4K camera. But those of you who follow me prior, I had to, you know, sell some things and things were going on. I was kind of going through a rough time, and so until I get a new camera, I guess I'll keep doing this just so I can just at least update you guys and like still make my videos. But yeah, I'm looking forward to being able to make my higher quality videos and stuff. So hopefully soon we can get back to where I was doing what I enjoy and making higher quality content and be able to edit and stuff. It's not as easy to do things the way I want to on my cell phone camera because it's just limited basically quality wise, and also it's just not the same. But as I said, you know, as always, the car's doing awesome, enjoying life, and just getting through the day by day. Looks like the rain kind of settled down a little bit, so maybe I'll just start off at first going straight, hopefully, and not get too much wheel spin, and then probably get ready to close out the video. I do have the AC on with the frost because my windows tend to get foggy in the rain. So. Alright, first gear, probably medium throttle on the start, and then full throttle on the start. Yeah, that was pretty good. Pretty good traction. So 0 to 51 basically. So yeah, I guess I'll just keep doing what I do and you guys keep watching. So as always guys, thank you guys for watching, thank you guys for likes, subscriptions, and as always, you got a question, comment, feel free to leave one. So I'll see you guys around. Get cut off when I try to end my video. But anyways, wanted to say thank you guys for watching, thank you guys for likes, subscriptions, and as always, you got the question, comment, feel free to leave me one. So I'll see you guys around, and enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.